Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Today I'm going to tell you about the mathematic concepts from grade 6 of new countdown. Our today's topic is Venn diagram. To solving exercise 1C, we have to understand the Venn diagram concept first. I'm just going to explain that paragraph for you. You can read it at your own. A Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set. You know very well about the sets. Whenever we are going to represent the sets, here is a way to represent that sets as a diagram. This Venn diagram is named by John Venn, who created that diagrams in 1880. To show a diagram or a set in a diagram form, we have to use a circle. It represents a special group or objects with specific quality, and the rest of the objects or the things or the elements we have to write outside the circle. A Venn diagram, here is an example for you. A Venn diagram for a set of birds that cannot fly. We have to make a Venn diagram of that set like this, that we have to put all the birds outside the diagram, outside the circle, which are not according to the specific set. And the birds that cannot fly, we can write their names in the circle. That's how we can easily draw a Venn diagram, and we can easily explain a set according to it. I'm going to explain another diagram for you as well, which is here. Below our Venn diagram for two different sets, Multan, Peshawar, Karachi, Islamabad, this is a set, and we are going to explain that. We are going to write that set according to Venn diagram, a set of cities of Pakistan that begins with K. Here is a diagram of this. Rest of the cities we have, rest of the name of the cities we write outside the circle, and the names belonging with the cities of Pakistan starting with K, we write that word names in the circle. Same like this, we have another example. Here we have write the name of the cities starting with M in circle, and rest of the cities outside. So the outside names are the universal set. You know about the universal set. It is the big set from which we find our specific set which are described to us. Now I'm going to explain you about exercise 1C part 1. Exercise 1C is draw a Venn diagram for the following sets. Name of 5 boys starting with A and name of 5 girls starting with S. For that part 1, I have solved that part 1 for you here. Venn diagram part 1, name of boys starting with A. For that one question we have to make two diagrams, because the name of boys and name of girls are belonging to the different groups. So we have to write the name of boys which are not starting with A outside the circle, and the name which starts with A inside. Same like this, name of girls with S we write on the circle, and the name which are not starting with S outside the circle. You can write the different names as well. For part 1, we have to make two diagrams, and we can solve it very easily. Now I am going to explain you about the rest of the parts. Students in your class who live in flats and those who live in houses. So students live in our class. These are belonging from the one group. So we have to solve it in one diagram. Students live in house and students live in flat. You have to write the name of your classmates who live in houses outside the circle and who live in flat inside the circle. That's how we can solve it very easily. You can write the name of the students live in flat outside as well. It's on your choice. Same like part 2, we can solve our part 3, 4 and part 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5 have the same pattern. You have to make one diagram for all that 3 parts. Now part 3 is animals that eat plants and animals that eat meat. You can write the name of animals that eat plants in the circle and the name of animals that eat meat outside the circle, it's on your choice. The animals that eat plants are cow, goat, sheep, and horse, etc. And that eat meat are lion, tiger, cat, dog. You can write their name as well. Four famous Pakistani people and four famous British people. For that answer, you have to search from net and Google. Then you can find its answer very easily. Five cities in Sindh and five cities in Punjab. It's very easy for you to write its answer from the or to find it from the net. Like this, you have to write them. Then it's easy for you to solve that exercise 1C. I hope you understand the video and it will help you to solve that exercise 1C. I will see you inshallah in my next video. Allah Hafiz.